So I'm gonna make a little trough that's gonna go up underneath the convection plate on my stick burner. It's gonna direct grease that drips out of the holes in it back towards the fire. I've had several times that say the drain line got stopped up, or I might have not got that offset level, and some of the grease came back to the fire. And as long as I could keep that from, the fire from getting out of control, I always had better barbecue, a better flavor. It had a smoke flavor, and then it had that real pit cooked barbecue flavor. So I'm going to make a little trough that's going to capture some of the grease dripping through that convection plate and put it back towards the fire. We'll see how this works out. So it's kind of crude, but this little piece, that'll hook on that convection plate, and then this end will drip back down into the fire. Let's see how it works. I'm gonna have to burn all this paint off because I don't want to know how Battleship Gray tastes. But we'll get this done. So far, that looks like that's gonna work out. It's got a little bit of grease running in there, dripping into the fire. Fire hadn't got out of control. So I'm pretty anxious to cook a couple of Boston butts on here and see how it does. It's about time to put their ribs, wrap them in some aluminum foil.